welcome back to another video. I'm Leah and you're watching PYRLIA. In today's video, we got a Temu package. What are you talking about? Now, I've been ordered this, y'all, but they separated it into 3 orders because it was so big. So this was actually in the first order, and the belt back there, and I'll show y'all. It's so hard. It's so pretty and bling, blow, all that. So if you want that, go to Temu. But this not sponsored, but whatever. Like, we're finna open this up there. Okay. What was in the other order?
A few moments later.
I'll put it. It's the cosmetic organizer. Oh my gosh, please, Bob. It smells like a factory. I love it. I don't need that. I just got home. I don't care. I'm finna start putting stuff in this right now. Right now. That is the cutest thing. I'm gonna do gels. Then I'm gonna do... Okay, so I guess this could only fit 3. So I'm gonna do these 3 because they kind of match. Then I'm gonna throw this in here. Throw this in the back. Bow. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's open it from the back way. And we're gonna stick them in the front. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, this is so cute. I'm gonna switch these. Even though there's actually, I'm gonna keep them there because they're the same brand. Bow. Got this winter candy apple. Oh. Let me see something. Let me see something though. So we got Behind the Mask palette. Then we got the Princess and the Frog palette. OMG, that is so cute. Some mascara. I'm gonna put some eyeliners and lip liners. And I'm also gonna put in the longer tubes of lip gloss that like can't fit in the side. So I'm gonna stick those in here. This is some more mascara. And then CeraVe. And then this is like a cute little glitter. I'm gonna stick that in here too. And we're gonna close it up. Ooh! Let me just put it on my dresser. I can't wait no more. This is what it looks like from the back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's open this up. It already had a big hole, so I hope nothing fell out. I hope nothing fell out. I really don't deserve that. Oh, thumbnail, thumbnail, thumbnail. So first we have... I'm so excited. This is actually for my paint, so I can organize it. So we have a case. Let's open it. Okay, little top piece and a bottom piece. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is just what I needed. And I knew that, which is why I ordered it. Oh, so cute. In the cut with the... Y'all, let's actually talk about it. Because I recently just finished watching Adventure Time with Lynn. And y'all, Adventure Time was a hit. Oh my gosh, like, oh my gosh. Think smarter, not harder. This is the next order.
Oh my glob!
All you gotta do is get in with me.
You want to boss up your life? All you gotta do is get in with me. I don't even pay to get in the club. They know I'm a walking tick.
I don't even want to take it off.
I mean, that thing shifting and I'm lane switching. Bitches big zone, stand on straight, baby.
So we're not. We're gonna keep it on. It's so cute. Let's move on to the next thing. Let's eat. Let's package to eat. I did my big one.
I'm just a girl in the world.
I love it. So cute. I think this is like so simple but also very fun. So you can't go wrong with this bag. New angle. But let's go ahead and get to the next thing. Spray bottle for your perfume. You fill it up with whatever perfume you want and you can take it with you to go. I already had 2 before, but they were trash and they broke. So hopefully this one could survive my bag. It's actually really cute. It looks like crystal, which I really like. And it's a little bigger than the last one I had. Oh, I did order eyeshadow. I did. 8 colors bloom eyeshadow. This is what it's looking like. We're swatching this right now. So I'm gonna show y'all the colors and I'm gonna screenshot this and put it on the side for y'all. That glitter stuff. I see glitter. I love this. This is like gonna be one of those necessities that you carry in the bag now. The highlighter that everyone was talking about on TikTok. I found it on Temu. All right, we got it open somehow. At least we know it was protected.
Oh.
It's so sparkly. Okay, I'm gonna make some noise, y'all. What the fuck? Yeah. Cause what? I know I said I was wearing the other one, but I just might wear this one. Like, this is getting worn a lot. A lot. These are the pieces that you would attach to the top in order to get whatever's down here to the top to spray in between your teeth. Now, I'm gonna most likely put my mouthwash and a little bit of water in here just to like have it even and split, and then that would be a nice like floss wash. The chip closer thing. Bunny. This is the little bunny I got for this pocket. This matches that bag perfectly. Now we're going to open it up, put the hanger in it, and seal up the back. Now it's a part of the hanger for your beanies. I got some rhinestones. So they give you a little hardware to secure it. So I guess it's not like wobbly and you have everything on it. This is the most comfortable one.
Sensing it's cool.
Tripod stick. I don't really read instructions. I just kind of do stuff until I figure it out. So I guess push it up like that. Phone thing pops out. Pull it out to your desired length. Let's try it out. It works. It works really good. Y'all got a new angle. Wow. Only because I don't know what this is. It's the port. This is the portals. This is definitely the portals poster. Y'all, I need to put this up right now. This is so cute. Oh yeah, Melanie's going right up there. Or Melanie is going up today. Would y'all like a room decorating video? Let me know in the comments and I'll do that. This one's rose gold and this one is silver. Some Velcro so I can put up the art without putting any holes in the wall. Sticky notes for when I read. I can tag which places I want to go back to or little quotes and stuff like that. You can charge 2 controllers at one time and have it look really professional and clean. I love like cordless look. Interesting. Through here, I've never charged my device like this. So you just put it on like, and they tell you if they're dead or not.
Check it out, yo.
Game changer. Charge them completely. Oh no, I put a different color. They probably didn't. It's okay. I like it still. Double ring. These are just leggings with little stars in them. You just put your little soap here. You can close it in. And when it's drying, you sit it this way, pour the water out. And close it up. I'm gonna also be making some really cute videos with that. I've been waiting for this. When they went popping on Pinterest, I was going nuts. So now that I could finally be one of the girlies with the watch, like, it's so cute. This one's like a, I don't know. Pop these right in here. Perfect. I got bronze and a rose pink. UV light so I can apply the tooth gems. It does come with a tooth gem light, but it's not that strong as seen in the ratings, so I got one. Bookmarks, so I got these. This is hard. This is so freaking hard. More Velcro. It's for the bag. It's also a little coin purse, so you can put little stuff in here. This is the final bag. Hugs your finger. Tooth gems. Cute little pin. I'll see y'all later when I get off work so we can finish the haul. Hey, I'm back. Work was really smooth and I just showered, so let's finish this haul. So this is an organizer. Comes with 4 main pieces and a bunch of little connector pieces. I don't really read instructions. I just kind of figure it out as I go. Let me know in the comments if you're like that too. You just kind of go with the flow. The decorating video is gonna be so cool because I have all these cool gadgets to put stuff on and just make so cute. I remember this episode. This was literally the last episode. Oh my gosh. Aww. My Jake. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh, look at his mama. I remember this. These are so cute. I love these. And y'all know I like to have stickers because sometimes I put them on things or I like to give them away. Stickers are just something you can never go wrong with having. It's just something you have to have. Like, I'm trying to show y'all fast. Ooh, this one is nice. I'm definitely not giving that away. Crazy ass. These are so cute. You have any cake? These are so adorable. The same set of black Frenchies with little heart gems because I thought like these are really cute. I need two. So yeah, I got two. Red set, like ombre shimmer, so pretty. And I also picked them up in blue because why not? So cute with the stars and the heart. I thought like Y2K. This one has hearts and this one has flowers, little Saturn and butterfly. These pair of earrings, let's open it up. This little container reminds me of like the gumball machine where it gives you like a tattoo or like some type of ring or like something just packaged. And they open like this. Gotta be gentle because the little bendy part is pretty fragile. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, this eats. Come on, Temu. Temu did their big one with this necklace. A yin and yang symbol. I thought that was so cute. So this is the sweater. It's so comfy. The edges have this purple rimming, which I love because purple's my favorite color. This is just overall my favorite sweater of all time now. Waistband, so you can just put it on your jeans or around a jacket and give it that extra oomph. Simple stars. You ain't really got 40 bands to drop on a necklace, don't worry. Go spend $4. Bling bling. This is what it looks like. It reminds me so much of Sailor Moon, but let's pop it open together. Why did I forget it had this many colors? Oh my gosh. And there's like so many glitter. Let's just try the green since it's open with my pinky. We're gonna try this pink right here. Oh yeah, and there's still some left. This palette gets down. Thank you so much for watching today's Temu haul. Make sure you like, comment what item caught your attention the most or that you might pick up, and subscribe if you haven't so you can see more of my videos. And thank you so much for tuning in again. Do no harm, take no shit, and be the best you. I love you.
Wait my turn, ask the questions, why you so concerned? Running up that bread, yeah, that cheese I earned. You can't buy no time in this world, but her diamonds and pearls. Chosen one, so that mean I got eyes for the world.
See my prayers full of gossip. I've been on my grind, so I can't say for the process.